Hello everyone, this is Dennis, and you're on the Den Electro channel. Today I'll show you something very unusual. This glowing cord is called flexible neon, or as it's also called, cold neon. It runs on electricity, consumes little energy, bends at almost any angle, and is safe for your health. It will work not only in the rain, but even if submerged in water. This makes it suitable for use in creating outdoor advertising signs. Another advantage is that it runs on low voltage. You can put its power supply in your pocket and make a beautiful glowing suit out of flexible neon. Cold neon is quite simple. A copper core is located in the center. It's coated with a phosphor. Then comes the copper braid, and the outer layer is a polyvinyl chloride sheath. On top of all this is another colored shell. Neon always glows the same color. And to change the color, different colored shells are used. The copper core inside and the copper braid are not in contact with each other. Under high voltage, the phosphor between them begins to glow. Cold neon operates at 12 volts, but you can't just turn it on. It requires a step-up voltage converter. It is sold with the neon wire. The cold neon is connected to the connector. The other wire of the step-up voltage converter is supplied with 12 volts. The step-up voltage converter is powered by 12 volts of direct current. When connecting, it's essential to maintain positive and negative polarity. The converter's output voltage is several hundred volts and a frequency of several kilohertz. Under other conditions, cold neon doesn't work. The current there is already alternating, so polarity is irrelevant. There are two mounting tabs on the sides of the converter housing. Unfortunately, the insides can't be seen. The housing is non-dismountable. Everything inside is sealed with compound. When operating, the converter emits a high-frequency squeal, but it's only audible in complete silence. There's a plug at the end of the wire. Underneath it are exposed wires. It's best not to touch it, otherwise you'll get a mild electric shock. When powered by 12 volts, cold neon consumes 67 milliamps. That's 0.8 watts. If the cable is longer, the power consumption will, of course, be higher, and with a short cable, it will be lower. As I already said, the cold neon wire can be extended, but online reports suggest that this can cause the converter to overheat. But you can make the cold neon wire short or even cut it into several pieces. After that, you'll need to connect them in parallel, and they'll work just as well. The neon cord is 5 meters long, so it should be enough for most of your ideas. I'll leave a link to the AliExpress store where I bought the cold neon in the description. That's all for today. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like and comment. This really helps promote the channel. Bye everyone.